All right, all right, all right, all right. So welcome. This is Behind the Sounds, Behind the Shot Monday. Now I know I've got a bottle of paint right in front of me, but, and I planned on this video being something different. But I've noticed that I've gotten some emails, some questions lately about light. Now this is kind of a pet peeve of mine. I shoot natural light. I shoot flash strobe light. I shoot constant light. I shoot available light. If it's a flash and it's available, I shoot it. If it's sunlight and it's available, I shoot it. Here is all I have, and I believe you need to understand about light. And this will take you a million miles. What this bottle here is, this is pretty much soft light. This is soft light. Even fills everything. Soft light. There's not a shadow in there. That's the coloration of the block. But I thought it kind of looked cool, so. But anyways. So this is soft light. Now, this is specular light. But I'm backing it up with soft light. That's why when I do my videos, there's a little twinkle in my eye, or you'll get a little flash off my glasses or something, is because of that specular light. Not a hard light. Do you see any shadows? No. Here is the somewhat lesson. Not a lesson. How I see light. 4 kinds of light. There is soft light. Soft light. No hard shadows. Specular light. Makes it a little clearer. It's like in between. Specular light. Soft light. Soft, specular. Now, we have light. This is hard light. I'm sorry, in here it's a little hard to see the shadow on the block. Hard light, but it's diffused. Boom. Boom. Hard light. Soft light. Specular light. Boom. With hard light. It means it's a small light source. The farther that light source gets away, and of course, Bob, you got to turn it up. The farther that light gets away, the harder it gets. See the shadow? See the shadow on the block? The farther that light gets away, the harder it gets. The closer the light gets, the less hard it is. So soft light, hard light, specular light. I get my specular light a little different. I've got a big diffuser that's diffusing that light, and that light's pretty close. It's right here. Creates a soft light. I'm not going to turn this light back on, but the closer this light gets, the softer it gets. The farther the light gets, and it's small, the harder the light gets. Now, soft light, hard light. 3, specular light. Specular light. Now, there's this. This is diffusion material. Diffusion. This is hard light. Hard light. Let's go like this. See that shadow? Hard light. If I put this in here, try to do this right. This is diffused light, not soft light. The shadow's still there. It's just diffused hard light. That light there is diffused soft light. Makes my skin look clear. Turn this on, specular, and then you see I'm a grouchy old man. Boom. You see the stubble. This is diffused light. The shadow's still there. It's just diffused. So, we have 4. We have hard light, soft light, diffused light, specular light. Now, hard light, see the shadow. See the shadow. Boom. You can turn that light down. But it's still hard. But if I get closer, see how the shadow goes away. Boom. Let's turn it down a little more. That's up. There you go. Shadow goes away. Shadow gets bigger. Shadow goes away. Shadow gets bigger. Now, this is a very rudimentary, is that right? Is that what I should say? A very basic way to show it to you. But all you got to remember is 4 lights. Hard light, soft light, specular light, diffused light. When you get into octoboxes and beauty dishes and stuff, light modifiers, snoots. So don't get confused. Each one is a tool. So if you need, let's say we're taking a picture of this bottle, and we're doing it in an ASMR way. Boom. This bottle. If my ugly mug wasn't behind it, that'd be an alright picture. Boom. Exciting? No. Because it's got a little bit of specular light on it, so it's really making that label pop. But when I do diffuse, because it fills it all in, I'm getting a little bounce back from the still lights it up. Diffused light. Diffused light is everywhere. A diffused hard light will soften the shadows, but the shadows are still there. It's still a hard light. Still hard. The smaller the light and the farther away it is, the harder it is. The bigger the light and the closer it is, the softer it is. Diffusion material. So, for instance, if I wanted a nice picture of something like this, let's just say, come on, help me out. Boom. We'd frame it different. This wouldn't be in there. My ugly mug wouldn't be in there. Be different. And we needed to light that label up a little bit more. Boom. Got a little bit of a hot spot right here. But all in all, we're doing pretty good. If I wanted it to have a shadow, and the only reason I'd want a shadow is if I was squeezed in closer, and I wanted to show a little bit of a shadow off to make it a little more punchier, a little more, pop culture-ish, I would take a big light and go back farther. 4 lights. I hope this got through on something. 4 lights. 4 different. That's how I base lighting on. No, I shoot natural light, I shoot sunlight. It's all light. It's all light. I make, it's kind of a joke. I say I'm an available light shooter, and I go, but you're using a flash. Well, it was available. I shoot LED lights. They're available. I hope this helps you out. This isn't modified light, like a snoot. A snoot I would use to give a punch out on certain stuff. That's what I'd use a snoot for. Maybe to light up this side a little bit. Something. This is on light. I was going to talk about other things, but this question keeps coming up and it drives me batty. So I hope this was interesting. I hope it was relaxing. I tried to make it as ASMR-ish as I could. But if you like what I'm doing, buy me a coffee. Better yet, become a member. And look right here for my favorite ASMR artist. Thanks for hanging out with me. A little different, always trying something new. I'm Big Bob. This is behind the sounds shot, whatever you want to call it. Love you, bye.